Hello, welcome to my vlog. So yes, this is our very handsome driver. We have random interviews for this New Year's resolution of New Year 2025. Okay, his name is Mr. Ahmad. Okay, he's a Pakistani. So we would like to ask something for him. Mr. Ahmad, what will be your New Year's resolution for the year 2025? Yes, okay. That is his opinion on the New Year's resolution. Mr. Ahmad, thank you very much, Ahmad. Okay, I will wish you all the best in 2025. Thank you very much and Happy New Year. Okay.